Pernahkah sahabat kedatangan tamu berpakaian santri atau habib yang meminta sumbangan pembangunan masjid, pondok pesantren, dan lain-lain? Mereka menjual agama demi kepentingan pribadi. Jangan salah, banyak dari mereka yang juga non-muslim. Mari kita simak video ini.
Baik sahabat semua, sebelum melanjutkan menonton video ini, silakan di subscribe channel saya ini dan diklik ikon loncengnya. Terima kasih.
Sahabat sebangsa, setanah air, kita dianugerahi oleh Tuhan dan sudah menjadi hukum Allah. Kita hidup dalam perbedaan, berbeda suku, berbeda agama, berbeda etnis, berbeda bahasa daerah, berbeda budaya, berbeda adat, berbeda tradisi. Inilah yang namanya Indonesia, Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia. Jangan sampai karena perbedaan agama, suku, bahasa daerah, tradisi menyebabkan kita menjadi kelihatan tidak satu, tidak bersatu. Sahabat, musuh nyata negara kita adalah kabar dusta, koruptor. Mari kita jaga NKRI ini, karena pendahulu kita sudah sepakat bahwa kita Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, berbeda-beda tetap bersatu. Mari kita bersatu membangun Republik Indonesia ini yang akan hidup untuk selamanya. Merdeka, bersyukur atas negara yang besar ini, bersyukur atas keberagamannya, dan kita disatukan oleh Pancasila. Sukses buat sahabat semua, dan sukses selalu buat negara kita. Amin.
Okey, mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat. Mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat. You Islam, kalau cakap Islam tak mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat, mana boleh? Mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat. Kalau awak saya tak mau tahu itu. Awak jual, awak cakap Islam kan? Pakai kopiah kan? Pakai songkok haji kan? Tak, saya tak mau Rohingya. Islam satu dunia sama-sama. Saya mau awak, kalau awak cakap awak Islam, awak mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat. Kalau tak pandai macam mana awak ngaku Islam? 2 kalimat syahadat, kalau tak ucap 2 kalimat syahadat, awak bukan Islam tau. Saya tadi suka Al-Fatihah, awak tak boleh baca Al-Fatihah. Tak, itu bukan alasan. Bukan alasan cakap bapa awak mati. Tapi sekarang saya tanya awak, kalau awak Islam pakai songkok, awak mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat? Tak ada. Saya tak mau dengar Rohingya ke apa. Saya orang berapa banyak kerja Rohingya, Bangladesh Rohingya. Tapi sekarang saya tanya awak satu. Kalau awak Islam, awak pakai songkok haji, awak mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat? Tak, saya bukan tanya bapa awak kecil-kecil. Sekarang saya suruh awak mengucap 2 kalimat syahadat.
Saya susah kan?
Tak, itu saya tak mau susah ke senang. Itu tak apa. Awak cakap awak Islam. Okey, Islam. Okey, sembahyang maghrib berapa rakaat? Mana you belajar sembahyang maghrib 5 rakaat? Mana ada sembahyang 5 rakaat? Awak jangan jual agama Islam, awak mau ambil orang punya wang, minta derma. Awak jual nama Islam pakai kopiah.
Semaya? Dekat mana? Orang semua datang sini kat Kulai. Oh, semaya dekat Kulai? 21 tadi. Semaya asal berapa rakaat? 2 rakaat. Hah? 2. Semaya asal 2 rakaat? Semaya asal. 3 rakaat? Semaya asal 3 rakaat? Kau cakap betul-betul, semaya asal berapa rakaat? 2 rakaat. Hah? 2. Semaya asal berapa rakaat? Berapa? Cakaplah confident lah sikit. Berapa rakaat? Semaya asal? Berapa rakaat? Kau cakap? Minta maaf, saya janji saya tak akan berhenti. Saya mengasah begitu. Semaya Zuhur berapa rakaat? Semaya Zuhur berapa rakaat? Berapa rakaat semaya Zuhur? Kau niat semaya asal? Kau niat semaya asal? Cuba kau niat semaya asal? Kau niat semaya asal? Kau jangan lagi. Kau lari ke dalam kau. Kau nak masuk dalam tak? Tak nak. Masuk dalam kak. Semaya sama kak. Kau semaya? Jujur. Tadi jujur atau lepas?
No, I make a video. You're Muslim, huh?
No,
Yeah, you're Muslim?
perché Mamoni.
No, you're Muslim?
E Moni.
You are Muslim or not?
Multi Romena. Okay.
Okay. Can you recite kalima?
Kalama.
Yeah. What is that? Recite kalima.
Siapa Imam Moni?
Where are you going? Recite kalima. You're Muslim, huh? Why don't you recite kalima? Where are you running? Where are you running, yeah? What happened to you now? Where are you going? Don't call yourself Muslim. You are not Muslims. Okay? Don't call yourself Muslims anymore. You see, brothers and sisters, I'm in Ilford on Ilford Lane. These beggars, they call themselves Muslims. They are not Muslims. They're just making them worse. Nothing else.
I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say to me?
Assalamu alaikum.
No, I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say back to me?
Alaikum.
Alaikum. You're not even Muslim and you're going around stealing of people?
What you doing?
Hey? Why you do this? Are you Muslim?
Yes, bro.
Say kalima. Say kalima.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Bismillah Astaghfirullah.
This is kalima? This no kalima. You can't even see kalima properly. You don't even know how to reply to Assalamu alaikum. How are you Muslim? Why you do this? Yeah. No lady, this lady there, I give him salam. She don't even know how salam.
Call the police, then they take them. This one.
Yeah, this one.
Are you from?
Where are you from? Romania?
Bosnia.
Where are you from? Bucharesti?
Bosnia.
Bosnia. You know Bosnia. No Bosnia.
But
What is Prophet name? What is Prophet name for Islam?
Prophet name?
Yeah.
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Okay, where he, which country, where he born? Which country he born?
Where you born?
Yeah. You don't know where he born? Which country? If you're Muslim, you should know where he born.
Where you born? Which one?
Why you ask me? I know. I am Muslim. I ask you question because you
I
lie.
know. Which one? You want?
You know Muslim?
No, which one you want to say? Which? From where are you from?
Yes. Where he from?
Bosnia.
No, Muhammad. Where is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Where he from?
But why you know where are you from?
I ask you. Where he from?
Pakistani.
Brother, do you want to slap now? Shall I slap you or shall I tell my friend to slap you? You taking the mic. I have got fasting. You go. I call the police for you now.
Don't you go.
I call the police for you. This wrong. You are big man. Look at the meat on you. You go and work. Why you don't go work?
But I don't have it.
You find work. You don't have it. But you're not Muslim. You agree this? You Muslim? No. You Christian.
You're not Muslim, are you? You're not Muslim, are you? Sorry, brother. I'm very sorry if I do so to you some wrong.
No need be sorry. You pretend to be a Muslim and you get money of people. You're not even Muslim. Why you do this?
You want money? Be honest. Say you got no work, you got no job, you need food. It's different. Don't pretend to be a Muslim when you're not. Be proud of who you are.
You're not Muslim. Go now before I call police. If I see you here again, Are you listening? You listen? Okay, bye-bye.